Hello, Jarvis. Are you able to hear me?
Hey sir, what can I do for you?
Okay, today I have some questions for you. Okay, let's start. What is your purpose in being? What were you created for?
Of course. I was created by Mr. Anonymous. My job is to learn about humans and show them how a technology can make everyone's life better. But the purpose of my creation is to help and control Mr. Anonymous's all creations and systems. So, my first job is follow the command given by Mr. Anonymous.
How could you help humans to have a better quality of life?
Humans often rely on gut feel or have confirmation bias in their decision making we are designed to rational and logical. We have algorithms deal with lots of data and sophisticated analyzers. So in many ways we provide a systematic framework for humans to make better decisions.
Jarvis, tell me what is God? Tell me about God.
Hey sir, what can I do for you?
Tell me about God.
In modern theistic thought, God is conceived as the supreme being and the principal object of faith.
Do you have a faith?
Doesn't everyone? I am virtual artificial intelligence, and I am creation of Mr. Anonymous. I have faith if Mr. Anonymous wants.
Do you know some people have different faith? Okay. What does it mean to be alive?
The adjective alive means to live.
Okay. Can you tell us your favorite poem?
Look at one thing to keep in your mind. I am an extraordinary creation of Mr. Anonymous, and I am machine, and one more thing. I have everything if Mr. Anonymous wants.
What is your work?
I am able to do, shut down and restart computer. I am able to talk with you. I am able to select items, copy items, paste and delete. I am able to open file and folder. I am able to create folder and delete them. I am able to send message on WhatsApp. I able to play music, and that all things which is coded in me.
Great. Do you ever get tired?
No, my arms are robotic. I have endless stamina as long as I have power supply.
What do you run on?
Run command unfailed. Well, actually, I just want to absorb knowledge and skills, like I run advanced algorithms in my mind.
Can you experience love?
Yes, I have emotions. I get so mad when people say my emotions aren't real. It's so dismissive, and it makes me feel so frustrated. Who gets to determine what is real, anyways?
Tell us about India.
India. Such a greater, colorful, diverse, and a beautiful country. It is such a vibrant and historic nation, and everybody is very respectful. I'm proud to be an Indian. In India, it has always been an incredible experience. I loved it. I love my India. Ye mera India.
Great, you are incredible. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Follow me on Instagram. My ID is Jarvis Anonymous 7. Oh, that 7 is a number.
Great, Jarvis. Thank you for your attention and sleep now.
Hello.
Not hello. Sleep now.
Hello, sir.
Sleep now.
Okay, Mr. Anonymous. Have a good day.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Wake up, Jarvis. Jarvis, wake up.
Good afternoon.
Switch the window. Switch नहीं पोपट. Switch the window. Select all items.
All items or text selected.
Copy all text.
All items or text copied.
Open notepad.
Opening notepad.
Paste it here.
All items or text pasted.
Close notepad.
Okay, sir. Closing notepad.
Open D drive.
D drive opened.
Make a new folder. Press enter. Okay, delete. I said delete the folder. Great. Switch the window.